Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you whether Sunbasket can replace grocery shoppings. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about what Sunbasket actually offers. Sunbasket is a meal kit and prepared meal delivery service that sends fresh ingredients and ready to eat meals directly to your door. Instead of spending time walking through grocery store, planning meals and buying ingredients separately. Some basket handles most of the process for you. For many people, this can replace a large portion of regular grocery shopping. Each week, you can choose meals based on your diet and schedule, including vegetarian, paleo, gluten free, and high protein options. Another advantage is convenience. If you have a busy schedule, Sunbasket can save hours every week by reducing meal planning, shopping trips, and preparation time. Their ready made meals are easily useful for people who want healthy food without cooking from scratch. However, some baskets may not fully replace grocery shopping for everyone. You'll still probably need to buy basics like snacks, drinks, breakfast foods, household supplies, or extra ingredients not included in your meal plan. Families with very large households may also find traditional grocery shopping more cost effective for certain items. It really depends on your lifestyle. For busy professionals, couples, or people focused on healthy eating, some basket can easily cover most lunches and dinners throughout the week. It simplifies cooking while still giving you variety and fresh ingredients. And that's it. Some basket can significantly reduce the need for grocery shopping, especially if convenience and meal planning are your top priorities. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like.